Hello guys and welcome to another new video. In today's video we'll be installing the option B blue interior for the S15. So I'll be showing you how to take apart the door cards and replace them and replace all of the buttons and the electricals that are in there too. So please stay tuned for the video and you're going to see a great result at the end.
These expectations weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend I am addicted.
So for those of you who don't know, this is the option B interior. So you've got the blue door cards and you've got the blue seats. They're going in a white S15. So there's also a steering wheel that comes with the blue interior. I'll try and put a photo of it on the screen now. And I believe that's it for the blue interior. Look, I'm not 100% sure because I know that the orange one has some other stuff like a speedo cluster, but I've never seen it in the blue one. Thanks, truck. Anyways, so I've never seen it in the blue one, but I think that's it for the blue interior. If it's not, I will make sure to update you guys. So let's go.
Two screws missing so far?
Oh, that's good. Welcome back. Today we'll be showing you how to change the door cards in your car.
Oh, hey there.
To make it nice and blue to match the blue interior, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So what you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver, roughly about this size. You'll figure it out if you've got a Stanley set, and you want to remove all of the screws. So you'll find some around the corners. Make sure you get them all because they go around the bottom as well. And there's also one inside the bucket in here. So make sure you get that one too. I'll put you on the time lapse. And the bucket should just come out. So put your clip in there so you don't lose it and put it to the side. And then you want to pull from the bottom out a little bit and remove the clips. So there'll be a little clip and then pull up.
So you get stuck on that.
Yeah. And then just be careful and pull it out. And that's it. You've got then to remove, excuse me, can you please move, sir? Then you've got to remove some cables from the back. So Lawrence will bring you around. Alright, so then you're going to have some cables you need to remove. So just get your hands in there and sort of pull it out. So the clip, I think it's at the bottom. Okay, well, that works too. Good stuff.
Cool.
That's out. And then you just push the button out from the bottom. That. And put this back in. Wow. So this thing will come out. You're just going to be careful with it so you don't break it. I don't think I did, but you got to put it back in. And it'll clip back in, like that. So it's clipped in, don't lose that. Your plug will plug back into there. And you got your switch. And yeah, that should be good. Hopefully that doesn't break. And then you get your new door card, so here it is. What we're going to do is we're going to put this in there first, so just drop it in like so, and it clips in. This one here comes with a bucket. How good's that? So you got your circle thingy in there that you need to pull out. So we'll pull that out, just like that. And we'll reverse the process. So you want to pass it over here and whack that in there. Down a bit. Alright, cool. And now we've got to sort of like lift it up. And it's just a reverse, so you got to put it in from the top and then sort of bend it down. So from my experience, it gets a bit stuck on that side. So you've done it before? I only did one of them. You got to push it down, and then it'll sort of get stuck. Push it in and down. Oh, can I see one sick? Yeah, so you got to sort of. Doing? Alright, let's do it. So when you're on this side as well, you got to be careful with the buttons. You don't want to break these. So the clips sort of come out by pushing on the bottom of the clip. This one's going to be f***ing hard. So let's start one by one. We might be able to pull the whole thing out. No, we can't. Not like that.
You wish, mate.
Yeah, I wish.
Ruining my NMDs for the vlog.
Your what? Your hoo-has? Bruhs, just come out. Please. Oh man, these clips are a pain in the ass. Alright, hold on.
Give him a little pokey poke with the
You might need the flathead one.
both. I reckon both sides. You alright?
Yeah, I'll hold it. I'll hold it up a little higher. Do you want to grab the flathead?
After a lot of hardship and struggle, we finally got one of the door. What do you call it? Window
The buttons.
automatic button thingos. Window switches out. Now we're going to investigate, see what's inside.
See if there's a better way to do it so we can tell you guys so you don't break any clips.
Like we did.
Like we may have or may not have done.
So this is what 20-year-old plastic looks like, huh?
Yeah, it's good quality, man. It will never die. Well, there you go. Maybe that's how we could have pulled it out.
Yeah, well, we couldn't get the screwdriver in there.
True. Well, you need a small screwdriver that will fit in there, and that's a different story.
Very
so
small screwdriver.
good luck to you if you're going to do that. Anyways, for now, we'll keep it like this, and we're going to swap it to the new door card.
Beautiful, mate. Wee.
This separately, and we'll just put it in there.
And obviously to take it out, it's the reverse of what we're doing now.
So you just pop it in like that, and then go underneath, and we're going to put this in. So it goes like this way, and you got to sort of line it up so that the buttons slide in like that. And then get the screws that you took out and just screw them in. So because our screwdriver is not big enough, or sorry, it's too big, we're only going to be able to put one of these in finger tight, which is fine. I mean, like our finger tight is fairly tight. I don't know. It'll be fine, it won't come out. Even if it does, there'll be another two in there to hold it in. Nice.
I was hoping it'd be louder, but it's alright.
It's alright, mate. And I don't know, I don't think we have a small screwdriver that'll fit in there.
Nope.
Yeah, but that's fine. Just do it finger tight. If it's already tight, then you know that that's good, because it's gonna be hard for it to come out on its own.
And if it does, it'll be rattling in the door for the rest of its life.
And you can just take the door card off and put it back on when you're ready. That's it.
And do that.
Alright, so these ones are in, and we're just gonna get the little screwdriver and screw these ones in.
Cheeky stubby that actually fits.
I think it'll only
This
fit
side.
this one here, man.
There you go. That's the only one that has to be tight.
Yep, well,
You need to get one of those 90-degree fingers.
screwdriver things.
We'll take this out.
Maybe. I might be able to get some more reach on it. Like
Whoa!
this.
One of the clips just flew.
Yeah,
Broke another clip.
that's it. Oh well, if it doesn't sit in there, we'll just put it in with double-sided tape. Should be right. There it goes.
Beautiful,
It's in
nice,
there.
nice and snug. Bit of silicone,
Ah, she's right.
should be set.
She loves it. Alright. And I think that's it. I think now we're good to put it back together. First for the for your plugs. So I'll just get Mr. Mills to help us hold this up. Oh, too high, mate. Too high. Down more. There we go. That goes in.
Giving away my identity.
Oh, I'll edit it out if you want.
Okay.
Then we get the other one and plug it in. So it goes this way. Just pop it in like that. Shove it in the hole. Hey, careful.
I'm gonna show the camera, man.
Be careful, man. And then just shove that into it. So lift it up a bit. It's too far away. Shove it in. Plug it in.
A little shove. Ooh.
And that's it, mate. It goes right in. It loves it. And then, if you've got anything in here like I do, you gotta make sure you push it in there. Hold it, mate. Careful.
I can rip something. What are you doing?
Careful, mate.
What are you doing, man?
Gotta push these in so that they stay in there. Otherwise, you're gonna have a bad time.
Fitting the drawer on.
That's it. It won't fit. That's the main thing. And then we're gonna try and put it back on now. So bring
Here
it
she
up.
goes.
I recommend you put it in from this side first.
Definitely. Although my side's already on. Should be right.
And then line it all up and clip it all in.
Give it geese underneath, see if anything's getting in the way. What do you reckon? Hey, give her a cheeky geese underneath.
I might need some help to line them up and push them in.
Ah, okay.
That's it. It's always good to have a friend help. So this here is the blue interior during the daylight. Have a look. It's very nice, very smick, very schmick. And you got the blue console down below. Blue everything, man. Let's make everything blue. Next thing to go. Just a sneak peek, huh? And I'll show you what the rest looks like when we've made the rest of the interior blue. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions down below in the comment section. Peace.